Okay, we now move on to IELTS speaking part 2. Your topic is describe a resolution you made in the new year. So please, over to you.
Well, everybody has plans for New Year, so do I had it. I decided to give away donations and helping poor people, as I am very kind-hearted and caring. Well, to kick off, I started from my own street, and eventually I covered 160 in just first month of Jan. I would go as far as long to say, firstly, it was a tremendous job and fascinating as well. Furthermore, eventually I learned a lot from it. By giving donations, I realized that people seems to be more happy, and by looking them happy, I feel self satisfaction. In a nutshell, answering your question, I love to help people who are needy, and I want to give more and more I can.
All right, 50 seconds only. So you need to
No,
speak more.
ab-
Yeah, you should go
I have
on.
the
Yeah,
content.
but you've written all the answer,
Yes,
huh?
I have content.
No, but listen, this content will not help you.
Huh.
If you have written your answer there in actual exam, you will not get a chance to write
I
that
have,
much.
I have a point.
So can you write all that in 1 minute?
Yes, I can. I did it last night in my home.
See that
I
last
had-
night she did. So not in 1 minute then,
Yeah,
huh?
I can. And
So
then I have a timer
in
with me,
actual
and I did it.
In actual exam, they will not give you the topic a night before.
I know that,
कि ये
but I
topic है, कल
practiced.
सुबह ये topic आएगा, इसमें
No,
बोलना
I
है.
had made bullet points, past description, opinions, something
Listen
like
to
that.
me now.
Yeah, sure.
Finally, let me tell you.
Okay.
Don't make these points.
Okay.
Just you can have a small sheet of paper and write at least 3 to 4 bullet points, and that's it. Otherwise, in actual exam, if you develop this habit, in actual exam, you'll be very uncomfortable. And have you noticed one thing? And who gave you the topic last night, by the way?
I did it myself from the book.
So then you
Michael's.
didn't speak on the topic. You spoke off the topic. What the topic is? What is the topic, by the way?
Describe a resolution you made in the new year.
Okay, but you didn't
the
link
resolution
it
was
with
charity.
resolution. Yeah, you should have.
I
linked
was
it
just
with
going
the
to at the end.
All right, so you're not
By
picking up the
concluding.
points I'm trying to tell you, but you're just saying the way you are doing that is right. Okay.
Okay.
So, anyways, let's go on. Speaking part 3. Why do some people not make resolutions?
Well, I think so. They think that every day is a new year for them, a new day. So they begin with the new thoughts. Everyone have new thoughts every day. So maybe for that purpose, they don't make any new resolution of the year. They start their every day with a good new resolution.
Okay, this answer is a bit unclear, so you need to focus clarity, and moreover, the main thing is don't develop this habit. Otherwise, in actual exam, you will get low band score, lower than your ability. Okay, so this is rather a warning for you. Next time, don't write anything. Okay, thank you very much.